How's your lady doing, brother? She doing okay?
Yeah.
I ain't seen her forever neither.
Yeah. Pretty good. I put a well in place and then ran a bunch of spigot heads down through there, which was somewhat more expensive than just running a long water hose. But that's how they wanted to do it. So
Michael don't have trouble spending money, does he?
no, pond right there. It's down right now, but it could be filled.
They just use that for backups, you said, Marsh?
Yeah. Don't have any creeks or water sources running through this property, and it's produced a lot of nice hay for a long time. But you don't have any substantial springs or creeks that I'm aware of.
Okay.
And it's pretty self-explanatory off to the right side where it runs to that fence line. That's your jet out there that we talked about. And then everything off to the left goes to the road. I mean, it's...
Yeah, right there it is. I just seen the cars.
This site could be balanced more than likely.
How you mean, Marsh?
Meaning the dirt that's available here could be balanced across the property to support a residential development.
Gotcha.
In my opinion, I'm not an engineer, but just standing here looking at it, it looks like it could be balanced out to where it would be a very good residential development.
You know, Marshall, if they see buildings going up across from them, maybe they'll be interested. You never know.
More than likely.
Maybe end up that piece of property forever, I guess.
Well, I don't know what that was. Farm truck. There's no telling what kind of stuff they've left out sitting up here. But it's all this as well. This is just a fence separating. But that's where you.
That's the whole jut out. That just what we just drove past, isn't it?
It is.
Okay.
But it's all this as well. And it goes back in the woods a good ways there, back to 191.
Yeah. Okay.
But still, not any kind of excessive amount of clearing for residential development.
No.
I would be targeting a developer more than a user, but I could be completely wrong. You may have some folks. You may have a similar situation with the Skytop or Skybrook.
Skybrook. Yeah.
Well, that's what we ran over, that big ass pipe.
Oh, I didn't see
May have
that.
better. You may have somebody come along like Skybrook or whatever that just wants a place for their horses,
right,
and a place to move to, and
with a view.
What a beautiful view and pasture you'd have for your horses or
right.
animals or private estate. Or
this is fabulous.
And these trees are really kind of not doing it justice, man. It's an in-your-face view that 50 feet up with a drone would show.
Yep.
And whoever developed it would clear it enough to where that view is.
They would. That's going to be exactly.
It'd be like a number one. I'd get a good picture of it, just barely with that drone above the tree line.
Yes.
That was just boom.
Yes.
Or do a 360 video.
That's the thing right there.
A 360 video, man, about, I don't know, 3:30 in the afternoon when school lets out, when that road's busy.
Yep.
Or just depending on who you're targeting.
I can't believe there's not a creek running down through that low point right there.
I don't believe there is. I do not believe there is. I am not aware of any kind of creek or piping or anything that's been done to that.
Right.
I know that they've never had a water source. See all these fruit trees that have been planted throughout here?
I do.
They've never had a water source. They've always had to use the well. And so that if there's a creek down there, it's like a creek bed.
Yeah.
It's something that would be piped and dealt with.
Okay. Right.
If I was doing it, I'd pipe it and deal with it. Put it out.
Yes, exactly.
It's kind of junky booked up right now. Not really doing
What's the freezer locker thing? What is that?
It's a cooler for
Yeah.
Processing livestock. Finished livestock, like if they're chickens that are processed.
Okay.
If there are vegetables that are processed from down there and they need more cooler space than what they have an additional cooler.
Okay.
Beef. I mean,
Just whatever.
they've used it for several different things. We got it from Swanner's. But, yeah.
Good stuff. Not cheap.
But that was built. That wasn't here. That was built like
This one wasn't?
12 or 13 or something like
Oh,
that.
no kidding. So when Michael bought this, a lot of this.
He put a bunch in it when he bought it. That barn, this barn here, is more of a workshop than anything. But it's on its own pad. It's concrete floor.
Okay.
The guest house was dilapidated. They started over.
This guy here.
Yeah, that guest house was dilapidated. They just started over.
Sure does look like it's in good shape, but you're right, them trees don't do it justice.
No, they don't. They're just barely blocking the way. And I mean, really and truly, that drone footage would show a developer, hey, come in here and do a week's worth of clearing or trim some stuff back, and you really have and really, man, as soon as you walk past the house out there in the yard,
Yeah.
you have a section where those trees are not blocking your view.
So that little trail we seen down there at the greenhouse just comes up right here to the edge of the yard.
It does. It comes right up all the way up to the yard to this driveway.